Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here. So, if you're here watching this video, it's either one of two things. One, you have a business, or two, you have multiple businesses, and you want to actually be more efficient with your leads, connecting with people, and growing your business. So, with that, I'm going to dive in here and tell you exactly why you want to stay around and watch this, because I've been working with a company and actually more of a platform that actually does that for me. And rumor has it they're actually going to be, well, I won't say they're going to be, but they're testing out a new system or service on their system to make sure that it's more efficient and easy for people to be successful with it comes to getting unlimited leads. And I'm going to show you firsthand one of the tests that they've done with my account. Now, disclaimer, this is not a guarantee that this is set in stone, that this is going to be moving forward. This is something they're testing out. I just happen to be one of the beta testers, or actually alpha testers, not even a beta test, that they have been just throwing around saying, hey, we want to try this out on your account. Can we do this? And so I said, yes. So I'm going to show you guys what's going on. Now, stay tuned. I'm going to pull up my account and show you guys the results that they've done just within 24 hours. So I'm going to click over there and I'm going to explain the name of the company and everything and go from there. Okay, here I am. And the company name is Nowsite. And you may be familiar, if you're not new to my channel, you will be familiar with some of their products, the Nowsite Marketing. And most recently, their most newest feature and product service, Nowsite SalesFlow. And it's been amazing. So I have it with unlimited leads, but they had reached out to me, like I said, and said, hey, we're thinking about doing something else because we noticed that with the data that we're collecting among some groups and some people who use this platform is that sometimes they can be busy. They don't know what to do. They're afraid to do stuff. They're new. So there's many things that comes into factors. So they have been testing out a done for you connection thing. I don't know what to call it because it's so new. They haven't even really named it. And I gave them full permission to my account. And I want to show you the results that I got. So this has been only within 24 hours. I got the request, the message Wednesday, and then I gave access to my account on Thursday. And within 24 hours, they started going to work with their peoples and their team. And I must say, you see this is my sales flow right here, daily checklist. So my prospects, I got unlimited prospects. So I got unlimited leads and prospects, unlimited enhancements. So here's the thing about this. When I turned my account over to them, I was at 22 people that I had it myself for this month. And this was the beginning of the month. Within 24 hours, they have did over 100 people. 100 prospects have connected with me with 100 leads. And this right here is all this right here. Like from here, July 15th, 12:31 is p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So this is the most recent person who actually clicked on the links that they sent out, that they connected in behalf of me, because they're representing me as my personal assistant on these social media platforms, connecting with the SalesFlow platform. So this is amazing. So these are people who actually I need to follow up with. I just got connected with, and they're interested in with connecting with me and with what I have to offer. And this, rumor has it, it won't just be for Nowsite or SalesFlow, but like I said, this is just in a 24-hour period. Like today is July 17th. July 15th, and within a 24-hour period, from the 14th to now, people are actively connecting. And it could be that the whole 100 or over 100 hasn't actually seen everything yet, but they're connecting. They're clicking the link to let me know that, hey, yes, I'm interested. Let's do this. Let me check this out and see what you got. So this is huge because I have a lot of businesses. I wouldn't say a lot. I have I have more than one. So I think what marketing, financial, health and wellness, vacation, precious metals. So I probably have about like 5 or 6 businesses that I actively work. And on top of that, managing a YouTube channel, multiple YouTube channels, podcasts, and just being a father and a husband, and giving some personal time to myself too. I'm a busy person, and you may not be that busy. You may have one a job that you just want to increase your side hustle and build that business, or you may have multiple jobs. You may have 70. You may have more than me. But if this right here, this is a game changer, and I have to say that the average person who feels like they never have enough time or just doesn't know how to do stuff, this feature will be amazing. I hope that they actually roll this out. I hope they get good data and results from this and actually roll this out, because if it is, and I have to press this disclaimer, they have not said that they're going to do that. So don't quote me on this, okay? So, but there's testing it out. This is an alpha test. That means that it can stop right there. So yes, it could be a game changer. I actually have another business I do that people actually train. Say, hey, this is how you do it. This should be your daily operation checklist that you should do. Is go and friend 5 people a day and connect. Go in different groups and of your own personal interests. With this system right here, it's doing it for me. I mean, yeah, here's the kicker. They was doing this, and I got alerts on my phone through the app too, when people wanted to connect and actually looking at the links and clicking on the links and responding. They were doing this while I was spending time with my 5-year-old daughter. Yeah, I was actually have that quality time with my kids and my family while they were doing this and connecting and going through building my list for business. That's what I'm saying. This is so huge, guys. Now, I don't know the price because, like I said, they might not even roll this out, depending on the feedback they get, the data they get. It could be dead in the water. But I hope, rumor has it that this might be something that they're really looking into. But yeah, I want to share that with you guys because this is amazing. Could you imagine what this can do for the average person? It doesn't have to be an average person. It could be somebody who's been in business so long. It can be for affiliate marketing, but they actually have certain things. So I'm not even going to the whole criteria search because I'm not going to mess with anything so that I mess anything up. But you can see right here, network marketing, interests and skills. They're targeting US for me. Network marketing, affiliate marketing, entrepreneurship, entrepreneur, small business, gender is all, age range all, contact method is all. So like I'm saying, guys, this is amazing. Like they're target marketing for me to test this out, and I'm getting the perks for it. So what could your life be like when you have somebody you have an assistant basically doing the heavy lifting for you, and you just have to follow up and close it. And it's simple to follow because it has a follow-up system in here too, and they give you scripts to follow up too. So it's like, I just couldn't believe it. I had they did over 100 leads yesterday for me when I was hanging out, playing with my daughter, watching YouTube with her, doing some editing on her YouTube channel, on mine, talking to friends, eating lunch. The sky's the limit. I mean, it just gives you that whole reason why you actually became a business owner or got a side hustle, that work-life balance, that time freedom. Gives it back to you. So I really want to share that with you guys. If you want to know more information about this, hit me up. I will tell you this. If they do roll this out, you don't want to wait. Contact me ASAP so you can get on the in the platform and grandfather in, because I know that just how they have done stuff in the past, if they happen to roll this out, I'm not saying they are, but if they happen to roll this out, it's going to be, hey, we're going to grandfather those people who are already in. So if you don't have SalesFlow, if you want to know how to get unlimited leads, contact me ASAP, or marketing, whatever you want to do. If you need some marketing tools, they got that too. I have both programs, so you can actually check that out in my other videos. But I was just so excited to share this. I actually got permission to say, hey, can we share this? Since it's an alpha test, and there's No. So yeah, that was strictly from the horse's mouth of the owner. And he said, just don't make any claims. That's what I'm doing. I'm not making any claims. He said, because it's just the alpha test. We don't even know if we're gonna roll this out. So it's just something they're testing out. And yeah. So if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to comment in the section below. I'll be happy to answer those for you guys. Also, if this is your first time checking out one of my videos or my page, my channel, sorry, do me a favor, hit that big red button below, and right next to it is a little bell. Hit that all, and anytime I put out any new content, YouTube is going to send you a notification saying, "Hey, Ryan DePaul just put out a new video. You like this last one? You got a lot of good value about that one. He helped you get your work-life balance together." You might want to check out this one too. So with that, guys, please contact me. My number is actually in the description below. You can text or call me. I will answer. I do check my YouTube channels and my comment section, and I do respond to those too. So I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you guys have about this. This is huge, guys. Like, I hope that they push this out. So if they do this, this is a oh my god. Whew. Super juice. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna end this right here. Like I said, hope you got some good value from this one. Hit that like button, hit that share button to a business owner that you may know. And until the next one, guys, take care, be safe, and be blessed.